Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about how ChatGPT got trained using reinforcement learning from human feedback. So, in general, they'll be like having a selected number of people and they release a base model to them. Later, they ask them to rank the response from a bot. So, they can't release the model upfront after training with internet data. Trained with internet data. So they'll have a testing or validation team so that they'll get to know how human being want response from a bot. So AI in general, it should behave like a human being. So they are testing with a human being, like a live audience. And later, second version would be released with wider set of people. And at last, we will get the final model. And that too, they'll use some of the data or response or even the feedback from us for their training. So the first step would be, as I said, it is a base model. They release a base model first after the training. And with a selective number of people, they ask them to rank the response. And later, they use those ranking for training. So that the first priority for rank 1 would be higher than the last rank, in the order. So let's see. Here is a sample responses that it is asking me to give. So what is the capital of France? I'm just giving all same answers, but in a number of tokens are different. One is large and this is small and this is smaller than response B. Next question. Okay, cooking. Yeah. So I'm just ranking based on the size of the text. So sky, yes. Okay. All right. So it is a direct answer. So wanted me to have it in response. Rank number 2. Okay. Yeah. And fine. Okay. So I gave the answer. Now I'm starting the training because I gave a decent amount of responses and ranked accordingly. So I just kept a few iteration, not much. So we got it trained. From this version, it will be responding with the rank, the rank which I gave. So it will be like, how do I learn programming? It gave a answer, vague, unhelpful, and rambling. So it just categorized based on the response with vague, unhelpful, and rambling. Now it is a detailed response which gave for the same question. So it is a structured response. So it is clear, structured, actionable, and helpful. Why? Because I just chose every rank number 1, which will be a detailed answer. For a simple question, a detailed answer response I chose as a rank number 1. So for that, it is giving me a structured response because that was my priority. So it trained accordingly. So in general, it actually trains like this so that we'll get a proper AI response like human being. So it understands every possible way and gives us a clear response. So that is how it trains. I hope this video finds you well. So see you in next video. Thanks.